Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talk today.
I'm John, and this is Mark. How are you doing, Mark?
I'm doing great, John. Excited for today's topic. It's something everyone is talking about e-money.
Exactly. Today, we'll discuss how e-money is changing the way we live, from transactions to how we connect with others socially.
And we're joined by two fantasy guests. First, Sarah, a fintech expert. Welcome, Sarah.
Thanks for having me, Mark and John. It's great to be here.
And also Emily, a sociologist who will help us understand the social impact of e-money. Welcome, Emily.
Hi guys, I'm so excited to be part of today's discussion.
Great, let's get into it. Sarah, can you start by explaining what exactly e-money for our listener?
Sure, e-money or electronic money is essentially money that's stored digitally. It's used for online transactions like paying bills, buying goods, or transferring funds. It's stored on digital platforms such as e-wallet or even apps like PayPal.
Right, and it becoming more common, right? Why is it growing so fast?
Yes, it's growing because it's really convenient and it saves times. You don't have to carry cash anymore or even go to the bank. Plus, with the rise of smartphone, people can make transactions anywhere, anytime.
That's true. But with all this change, Emily, what kind of social impact does e-money have?
Well, e-money has shifted a lot our social behaviors. For example, people now shop more online and meet less in person. The act of basically going to a store or bank is becoming less common.
So, it changing with the way we interact with each other. In a way,
Yes, exactly. Built-in can make life easier and can also reduce face-to-face interaction. This can affect things like social bonding of community building.
Do you think this will continue, or do you see a trend where people might start to miss physical interaction more?
It's hard to say, but I think people will want to find balance. M&A overcomes good human interaction in Corel. People still want to connection in person.
that makes sense. Sarah, do you think e-money is helping or hurting the economy overall?
E-money is definitely helping. It's making transactions faster, safer, and more efficient. It's also contributing to the growth of digital business. But we do have to consider the digital divide between those who have access to technology and those who don't.
Ah, the digital divide. That's an important issue. How can we address that?
Government need to invest in better infrastructure, especially in rural areas. Also, education about digital literacy is key. People need to learn how to use e-money safely.
And we need to be mindful of privacy issue, especially when it comes to the personal data. Many people don't realize how much data in banks share when they use e-money.
Definitely, privacy is a huge concern. Sarah, do you think e-money will completely replace cash in the future?
It's hard to say for sure, but cash will likely become less common. However, there will always be some people who prefer to use physical money for various reasons.
So, it's not a full replacement just yet.
Not yet, but it's definitely the way forward.
Emily, do you think people's relationship with money have changed because of e-money?
Absolutely. People don't see money the same anymore. It's not something they physically hold in their hand. It's more abstract now.
That's an interesting point. It's almost like we're moving away from a tangible physical economy to a more digital, invisible one.
It will be interesting to see how this changes society in the long run.
Well, this has been a fascinating discussion. Thank you so much, Sarah and Amelie, for joining to us today.
Thank you for having me. It's always a pleasure to discuss the future of finance and its social impact.
Yes, thank you. That was a great confession. I'm sure this topic will continue to evolve, and I look forward to seeing how society adapts.
Absolutely, Emily. The world of e-money is changing rapidly, and it's exciting to see how it will shape our future.
Right. It's amazing how technology is changing so many aspects of our life, including the ways we manage money.
Exactly. Will that the time we have for today's episode? Thank you once again, Sarah and Emily, for your valuable insight.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
Absolutely. Looking forward to the next discussion.
And thank you to our listeners for tuning in. We hope you've enjoyed today's episode and learned something new about the world of e-money.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future episode.
See you next time on Tech Talk Today.
Take care, everyone.